Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually erase your SCRIBIT drawing from a plaster wall. So the first thing I want to tell you is that this wall is a white painted wall on drywall and it's an eggshell finish. So that's all it is. There's no special paint and there's no special finish. It's a basic white paint with an eggshell finish. What I'll do is I'll just show you I have a slightly damp, wet paper towel. That's all it is, wet paper towel. And this is a finished drawing on the SCRIBIT. As I was testing it out and getting some drawings going, this is a sushi drawing. But I just want to show you that with a wet paper towel, all you really have to do is in circles just kind of go around and that will basically erase it. All you have to do is keep that going. You can keep it going in circles like that. And if you see there's just a little bit of residue there, I might just switch my hands. And with a little bit of elbow grease, as they say, you can get all of this off quite easily. It depends how smooth your paint wall is. Some walls have more crevices than others, but just a simple wipe will get this thing done. You can go really fast, and it works quite easily. There's some red over there. There's some blue. Yeah, it smudges a little bit, but with a little bit more of the paper towel. It really works well. So anyway, long story short, that's how you manually erase the SCRIBIT drawing from a wall and from a painted wall on a plaster wall with an eggshell finish, to be very specific. So hopefully that helps you if you're trying to manually erase your drawing. That's all you have to do. There's no secret behind it and there's no special spray or anything you have to put on. Give it a try. Let us know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching.